How to stop sharing call history between iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Once you are in here, move into your ID banner and then head over to iCloud. Inside iCloud, click on Show All over here. In this page, what you want to do is turn off this contact option. Now click on Keep on my iPhone. Once it has been done, now head over to iCloud Drive and make sure that this option is turned off. Sync this iPhone. The next thing you want to do is go back and head over to your settings page. And then move into General. Head over to AirPlay and Handoff. Over here, what you want to do is turn off this handoff option. Once it has been done, it will stop sharing your call history between iPhones and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to stop sharing call history between iPhones. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.